This is what makes the Salesforce industry very unique and different from any other industry I've worked in. What makes it unique is that you can be at any level. You could be a total beginner like this person, or you can have 10 years experience. And it doesn't matter if you ask a question in a genuine way and you've kind of done some homework and you post it out there. People, when they have time, they're going to answer that question. And they're not going to do it in a way where when they answer, you feel like you owe them for something. What they've really bred in the Salesforce industry is this culture of Ohana is the slogan that you may have heard, which means family. And the idea behind all that has really stuck. I mean, I know when I first started, I kind of thought that was a little bit cheesy. Didn't really believe that that would be the case. But I've seen it in my own experience is that anytime I've had a question, whether that's technical, a total newbie question, something a little more mid-range or off topic, if I've asked in a genuine way, people in the community have gotten back to me, answered it with sincerity, and even given me more resources or reached out with personal phone numbers or emails and said if I had more questions, I could even contact them directly. So it's really cool and makes it easy for, I would say, freshers to get in, right? Because it's different that way. You don't have to have this shyness around wanting to reach out to other people like myself. Or others in the industry. If you have a question, please ask us, and everybody does their part to make sure when they do have time that they can get back to you on that question. So with this experiment, right, is typically on these, this is a DM I got on Twitter last week, and I'll usually just take a little bit of time, give my 2 cents. But this time I wanted to do something different because whenever somebody asks me that question, of, well, I don't really know how to start in Salesforce, right? Or I don't know what I should be doing or not be doing. Well, there's a few ways to approach that, right? Is one, there's YouTube, there's Google, there's Trailhead, and then there's communities inside Trailhead. There's tons of resources that you could literally just do it yourself and figure it out. But two, if you do get stuck, you can literally go in any of those communities or in any of those places, and social media included like this, post your question, and people will get back to you that way too. So as an experiment to kind of prove that that is the case, I took this DM. I said, hey, this is something I usually answer. Want to get your guys' perspective, and posted it on LinkedIn 3 days ago. Well, in 3 days, we have 82 comments. We have 5 shares. 110 people have liked it, and 15,000 impressions. So it's an insane amount of people that have already taken time. 82 comments on here of people sharing their 2 cents, their advice, how they would approach this, what they would do in their perspective. So it's really cool. So I'll post this in the comments below, and you can refer to it if you are a newbie as well, because there's great perspectives on here from both people that have been in the industry for a long time, as well as people that have just started. So you'll get a lot of different perspectives of, this is what you could try. So if you look through these, we'll just quickly scroll, but you have people from all ranges, right? David is a golden hoodie winner, MVP, been in the industry for a long time, works at Salesforce, huge contributor to the community. He's commenting on here. We have Matt. Matt is in my own personal community, so he's brand new. He's actually in sales right now, trying to transfer over to Salesforce. He's giving resources, and he's doing his part. You have all kinds of people in here, right, posting their stuff. Megan is a Dreamforce speaker. She just spoke last week at Dreamforce. Awesome person in the community as well. So as you kind of scroll through these, right, there's like some of those names that are popping up, but there's a ton that go through here. Riz is another new person, and they've all given their 2 cents. Hassam is a good friend of mine. He's not even in the Salesforce community, actually, and he's posting like what he felt helped him move out of a call center job into what he does now. So he even took the time here. So tons of resources in here from all kinds, and it's awesome to see. Lots of see more comments on here, so you can kind of see just by scrolling through these, right? Like this one's a big one. There's a lot of people on here that didn't just, post a 2-second thing, go sign up for this. They all literally took a lot of time to write out what they would actually give advice on. So awesome to see. Just wanted to kind of prove this point. So if this is you, once again, please do not feel intimidated or shy to reach out to us or to just post on social and get your questions answered. We all want to help you guys get into the industry, or if you're stuck and you are in the industry, we all want to help each other out. So awesome part of the community. And if there's anything I can do, please comment in the comment section below. You can also sign up for my course or my newsletter, or just follow me on social for any of the free tips that I offer.